Welcome along people to another one of my little videos. Well, for quite a long time now I've wanted to do a subs ride. And who better to start subs ride with than my brother, as I'm in Ireland. Let's see what my brother has got as his favourite ride after the intros. This is my brother, Red, as he likes to be called, and I try to remember to call him Red. You know, and I get told that I don't.
Yeah,
correct.
Bear in mind.
Yeah. Right, your history of bikes. In fact, Red is probably the reason I ride motorbikes, because Red is my big brother, even though I'm slightly taller. And you had Honda 50. We were trying to remember earlier. Honda 50.
Honda 50. 404, 550, 550k, 500, 750s, a lot of bikes over here. A lot of bikes over here.
You had a rest, a little bit of break.
We got off them for a while,
yeah.
Raised the family,
kids,
sorted them out, and back on them with a couple of different bikes, trike, few bits, and the young fellas on them now as well, so yeah, it's all good. It's all good. Dean, yeah, Dean's riding now. Happy days.
Cool.
Yeah.
This is a Harley Davidson
Heritage Softail Classic.
Right.
1690 or 103 cubic inches.
Right.
Lovely bike to ride.
Yeah. I had a quick sit on it a minute ago.
Beautiful bike to ride.
Very nice.
Yeah. Have her about a year and a half.
Yeah.
Really enjoyable.
Brilliant.
Really enjoyable.
And handles nice.
What?
It handles.
Handles well, yeah, listen, it handles. It's a Harley.
It's a Harley.
It's a Harley, yeah. It doesn't out-handle anything, but it's nice to go for a spin in the sun. Yeah, nice bike to ride. It's right, Hank.
Yeah.
And that's feed and returns. There's two returns here.
Right.
And that's feed. If you left that bike ticking over for 10 minutes, that's warm now, like.
Yeah.
Well, this is warmer here than that because that's just chrome cover.
Yeah.
But, yeah. It warms up, and this is my air filter, and that's why they put the 103 and put 103 there.
Yeah.
Same as your pads here.
Yeah.
They're front and back pads. They wouldn't be original.
All right.
What you're looking at now is the way it came out of the factory. Is your man, when he bought that, demanded
even
that
the flames. He
demanded it look like that coming out. Yeah. Gave the money to HD in Dublin.
Right.
They ordered it directly from, and when they ordered it, that's the way it came in.
Right.
Which is weird for me, okay?
So what we were discussing here is all of the switches are chromed, even the horn. So Red keeps on pressing the horn instead of the indicator.
But also, if I ride into a corner,
yeah,
and then I ride out of a corner,
yeah,
I forget to turn off the indicator. It automatically goes off.
Oh right.
After X amount of go, tick, 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 and it turns off.
Switch off.
That's the beauty of this bike.
Oh, it comes off.
Oh God, yeah.
Doesn't it absolutely transforms the front end?
Completely.
Doesn't it just?
Completely.
The whole, not just the front, the whole look of the bike is absolutely transformed, isn't it?
Yep.
I'm glad you mentioned the club. You are in
Green Knights Ireland.
Yeah.
Which are Defence Forces, Army, ex-Army, Reserves,
right.
all extras.
Yeah.
Serving or retired. That's
right.
what that is.
Yeah, cool.
Nice club, good few guys. Great. Since I was born. Your man did 740k before I got it.
740k?
1,299
kilometres.
Original.
Oh, let's turn that around so I can see it.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow.
She is, like you say. She's all right. So this over here, she's got a fuel gauge.
Yeah.
A fuel filler.
Filler, yeah.
She is keyless, like you said.
Yeah.
So that you literally just turn That brings her alive. Oh, okay, cool.
That locks.
Right.
If I lock that, you
Yeah.
can't turn that.
Well, she's an absolute credit to you, Red. It really is.
Yeah, thank you very much.
Yeah, pleasure. Unfortunately, we're never going to see Red riding down the road. It would be nice to see my brother ride the bike and listen to the engine, because it does sound absolutely cracking. It's not going to happen. We're in Ireland and it is persistently pissing it down. So thanks ever so much, bro.
No bother, lad. You're welcome.
Cheers.
Yeah.
Okay, so that's it for this time. Hopefully you enjoyed that one. A brief, short bit of a look at my brother's Harley Davidson. If you are one of my subs and if you have a motorcycle of interest and we could make a video together or go for a ride like we did with Dr. Andy, leave a comment in the comment section below. Anyway, that's the end of the video. If you've liked this one, please leave a thumbs up. If you haven't, leave a thumbs down. Please leave a comment in the comment section below. Don't forget the ding dong, the notification bell, and that way you will never, ever, ever miss another video here on the Mad Leprechaun. Until next time, people, take care. Bye bye.